We're live and breaking. I'm Shivangi Shukla getting you latest coming in. Okay, big update right now. Supreme Court will today hear the petitions filed against the central government's law regarding the appointment of election commissioners. Ganesh Kumar is the first CEC to be appointed under the new law who has taken charge as the Chief Election Commissioner of India. Big update coming in right now here, Republic TV viewers. Just a day after the appointment of the new Chief Election Commissioner, the petitioners who have challenged the law on the appointment of election commissioners today have gone ahead and requested the Supreme Court to hear the matter on top priority. And just after that, we come to know that the Supreme Court will hear the petitions filed against the central government's law regarding the appointment of election commissioners. Ganesh Kumar is the first CEC to be appointed under the new law who has taken charge or as the Chief Election Commissioner of India. All right, let's go straight across to my colleague who's joining us right now. Yes, Riyanka is joining us. Riyanka, after the election commissioner Ganesh Kumar was elevated as a chief election commissioner, there was a bit of controversy over his appointment. And now the Apex Court will be hearing petitions in connection to that. If you could take our viewers through all the details and when has this matter been listed?
Well, we just saw that election commissioner who has been uplifted to the position of the chief election commissioner, Ganesh Kumar, has taken over. And there have been a lot of controversy regarding the way in which he was being, put up in the position. Given that, after the appointment was made earlier, there have been several petitions that have been filed in the Supreme Court challenging, challenging this very move, challenging the appointment of the CEC and the ECs, which have come under the new rule which was made in 2023. Now, on the other hand, what the problem that has been, raised by the petitioner is that when, there is a selection of the election commissioners and the chief election commissioner, that panel, the panel which selects it, must comprise of the Chief Justice of India. But as per the new law, which had come out in 2023, it included, the CEC included the Prime Minister, the Leader of Opposition as well on the other hand, but it did not see the inclusion of the Chief Justice of India. So this is something that has been challenged at the moment, and the petitioners say that the appointments were made without including the CJI, and that is something that has gone undemocratic in the ways that has come out. On the other hand, the matter has been listed today as item number 41. But what we have seen that Advocate Prashant Bhushan had asked for a priority hearing in this case, given item number 41 is something that usually does not come for hearing. So the Supreme Court has assured that this particular hearing will be taken up on priority basis after, they conclude hearing the matters that have been listed as urgent basis. After that, this matter will be taken up for hearing. On the other hand, the Supreme Court has also assured that the verdict will be given on basis of the merit of the case. So yes, we have to wait and see what happens next as the bench of Justices Surya Kant and Justice Koteshwar, will be taking up this matter today, and it is likely that post around 11, when the bench sits, post that we will be seeing how soon this matter comes up, as assured by the Supreme Court, will be taken up on priority basis post the hearings on the urgent matters.